What is up, you guys? I'm Jason Arland, and today I'm doing Google Picks My Makeup Challenge, and this look was picked by Google. All you need to do to get into this challenge is go on Google, put your initials. For me, it was JCA. Whatever images pops up the first, that's the image you're gonna take as your inspiration. This is my inspiration board. So we will be playing with a lot of blue, a lot of white, a lot of black. Basically, just slap some cream blue first on my lids. And once I have that blue, I'm gonna go with the All I Need eyeshadow palette and take the blue from this palette and place that blue on top of it. Next, I'm gonna take a white cream liner and just do a small wing just to make sure my eyes look more open. Try from the outer edge. Next, I'm gonna take some THREESOME mascara to add some more drama to this look. So this is where we have reached so far, and now it's time for my cheeks and my lips with the highlighter shade from All That Jazz All I Need eyeshadow palette, which is this beautiful gold bronze color. High Voltage, which is a BUTTERLICIOUS red lipstick, and then I'm gonna take Head Over Heels lip gloss. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such fun videos.